Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Fidelity and verifying two-factor authentication. This secures your account and lets you proceed. Once done, enable real-time quotes and set trading permissions so orders will route properly. Make sure your bank is linked for funding and withdrawals. That avoids delays when you place trades. Now open the trading dashboard and load a watch list. This gives you immediate visibility into positions, balances, and alerts. It also primes the workspace for the first trade. You pick a ticker and decide how you will enter the market. Choose market for immediate fills or limit to control price. Once selected, set size and time in force. DAY for today, GTC to keep it until canceled, because execution timing affects outcome. Use the chart tools to inspect trends and the order preview to estimate fill price and fees. This prevents surprises. Then confirm routing and submit the order. You'll get order status updates and fill notifications, so you monitor fills and P&L from the dashboard, watching alerts for executions and margin changes. This helps you act quickly. Once filled, rebalance or set protective orders, modify size, cancel open orders, or place one cancels other to manage downside, because disciplined exit plans matter. If something goes wrong, first check your internet connection and 2 FA prompts, then confirm trading permissions and available funds. Contacting Fidelity support with order ID is the last step. That troubleshooting flow solves most issues and gets you back trading.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.